Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just purchased one soundbar, Samsung soundbar Q67CB. I just purchased from Costco. It's on sale. The actual price is $379.99, but Costco right now it is on sale for $299. This is a 5.1 channel soundbar with Dolby digital audio and rear speaker kit included. So if you don't have the wiring in your house for rear speaker, this is a good thing. That's the main reason to purchase this one, because I don't want to spend a lot of money for again wiring the cables behind the wall. So that's one thing. And it has a subwoofer that is also wireless subwoofer, and the soundbar, total 9 speakers it has. And soundbar is 14-inch soundbar. Total output power is 430 watt. I thought this will be a good one for me based on price and all other things. So it has optical fiber connection plus Bluetooth connection, and also HDMI you can connect. So all these are included. The one good thing is if I go with the different sound systems, always I have to spend a lot of money, plus I need a receiver. This one doesn't need a receiver. It comes everything included. Plus I have a Samsung TV. It synchronized with Samsung, the Q-Sync technology, as you know. So that actually sync with the TV sound and the soundbar, so that everything will come together. I go through a lot of reviews in Costco, and looks like it's a good fit. Plus there right now there is a $80 sale, so or $80 off, so this is a good thing. I will be showing full installation, and if any connection troubleshooting if I need to go through, I will show everything in this video. So friends, I am just opening this box. This is a very big box since the soundbar is like 40-inch. This is the soundbar. Let's open it. All the cables, I think. So friends, let's open the box packet and see what comes here. This is the remote, I believe. Yes, this is the nice remote. Also Samsung, if you have Samsung TV, you can control the soundbar with your Samsung remote. So one remote can work for both. This is like batteries. This is power cord. This is also power cord. This is the manual. Please make sure you go through the manual, read the manual. They should be giving the wall mount as well with this system. So if you need to hang your soundbar on the wall, then you can use that. They put the kit also. I believe this is the kit for wall mount. Looks like, yes, this is wall mount kit. So I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna hang it on the wall. So this is a HDMI cable that they are giving, which is good. This is the cable for rear speaker connection. Let's open this one. So I think this is the rear speaker kit. Yes, it is. Friends, this is the rear speaker kit, so that you can see after you connect. And this is the 2 rear speakers. So let me open it. This is first rear speaker. You can hang it, or if you want to buy a stand, that you can do. This is for wall hanger. Anything else? Nothing else. So this is another rare speaker, speaker 2. This one looks like subwoofer. Yes, this is the subwoofer. So this is like this, and this is a wireless subwoofer. You just need a power cord. Let me connect the battery of the remote. So friends, now let me show you the ports so that you can understand. A lot of people I saw, they are confused where is the port. So this is the DC in port, and for the sound bar, I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, this is the DC in port, and this is the USB port. So if you have any music in your USB, you can just plug it in and you can play. Plus you have Bluetooth. This one also is Bluetooth, and this is the DC in port. So you need this power system with this one for this soundbar. And let me show you other ports. This is the HDMI port, and this is HDMI TV out port, and this is digital audio, digital port, optical cable port. So I'm gonna use digital audio port. You can also use the HDMI ARC port. Your TV should have HDMI ARC port. In that case, the synchronization with Samsung TV, it works only when if you have optical port or you have HDMI ARC port. In those two cases, the synchronization will work. If you cannot synchronize, or if you don't have Samsung TV, you just need to make your TV like sound out from external speaker. That's the settings you need to set. So friends, let's get installed, and then I will give you some review, and I will show you if I have any, like if I need to do any troubleshooting or not. Everything should work properly. The subwoofer, it is wirelessly connected, so should connect by itself, and also the rear speaker kit, that should also be connected wirelessly, so it should find the soundbar. So let's connect and see. So friends, as I mentioned, this one, the power cord will go here. I think you can see it. Yes. So right now I will run through the cables here. So this is this one for the soundbar, this one for the soundbar. Make sure you connect this one for the soundbar. And I have an optical cable. So let me go through this optical cable. They don't provide the optical cable, so you have to buy it by yourself. Let me connect the optical cable. So here's the optical cable. Let me connect. I got it from Amazon. It's not too expensive, I think $10. So now I'm gonna connect it to the power. So friends, here is my soundbar. I put it in front of my TV. The TV is still off, so you cannot see it. So let me connect to the power. I connected to the power. So now I'm gonna turn it on. This one. Here is the display. The display should be here. It's not showing anything. So let me press it. And I just pressed it. You see, it says direct in. That means optical. So it is connected. Let me turn on the TV.
Right now here in Washington, 51 in Annapolis, 56 in Manassas, and reduced visibility in some spots. For
Let
tonight,
me mute
temperatures
it.
will actually rise. We'll be in the low.
So I just muted it because I want to say you something. Before that, see, my Samsung TV already captured it. So it is asking for permission. So I'm giving the permission. So I just give the permission.
In the 40s with some very gusty winds. Much more on the
Holiday weekend.
So friend, you can see with one remote, I can control everything. So friends, now I'm going to connect the subwoofer. I just connected it, and you can see the blinks, blue blinks. So it's now steady. That means it's already connected. It gets connection with the soundbar. So if you need to manually connect, then you need to press this button, this one, and check it. And if it is not connected, then you'll see red here. So this one is got connected automatically, so I don't have to do any troubleshooting. But if you need to do it, you can check the manual. You can see it how to manually connect the subwoofer. So let's check this. Let's connect the rear speaker. So friends, now I am going to connect the rear speaker. So this is one, this is another one, and this is one. So I just opened the wires, cables. So you can see this is black, so black should go to black, and this is the red, and this will be my right side speaker. So I'm pointing it, connecting it to the right side. Same way. I am going to now connect this one. So red will go to, red will go to red side, and black will go to black. My daughter, she is helping me. It's her finger, and this will be my left, so I'm connecting it to the left. So you'll hear a noise. So then I'm gonna put the power, and same way it should blink here. Let's connect. So friends, now I'm going to put power in. So this will be my power cord, and I just put it powered in, and you can see it's blinking. So friends, after connecting to the power, the rear speaker kit is blinking. So we need to connect it to the sound bar. For that, we need to turn on the soundbar display. So this is direct in. Now I have to press and hold the up button. This is the up button for 5 seconds. So ID set came. You can see ID set came, and then it should now be steady. It should find the soundbar. See, now it is steady, so it's now connected. So everything is connected. So let me put the sound, like increase the volume. So let's see if the rear speaker is working or not. Yes, I cannot give you example like is it. Yes, it is working. I can hear the voice directly. So this is the full setup. Like the subwoofer is here, the soundbar is there, and the rear speaker kit is here. So now I have to put the rear speaker on the back side. Right now it's for testing purpose, like connection, billing connection. I put it here, but I'm gonna put over there. So friends, this is all about this one, and I tested it. It looks fine. Only thing that I saw, it's not loud enough in my house because the room is too big and I have a high ceiling. So that's the only thing I saw the problem. There are a lot of other features, like I tried all the features and it's fine, it's working fine. So I'll keep using it, and if I see any problem, I will mention it in the description box. So friends, that's all about this product. If you have any comment, suggestion or anything, please let me know and put it in a comment. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.